Cheeky, bricky. I don't know what's this, but I just wanted to say that. Task number 5, types of encryption. This task is part of Encryption Crypto 101 module, which is part of the complete beginner path on TryHackMe. The two main categories of encryption are symmetric and asymmetric. Symmetric encryption uses the same key to encrypt and decrypt data. Examples of symmetric encryption are DES, broken, and AES. These algorithms tend to be faster than asymmetric cryptography and use smaller keys. 1 to 8 or 256 bit keys are common for AES. DES keys are 56 bits long. Asymmetric encryption uses a pair of keys, one to encrypt and the other in the pair to decrypt. Examples are RSA and elliptic curve cryptography. Normally these keys are referred to as a public key and a private key. Data encrypted with the private key can be decrypted with the public key and vice versa. Your private key needs to be kept private, hence the name. Asymmetric encryption tends to be slower and uses large keys. For example, RSA typically uses 2048 to 4096 bit keys. Goddamn, considerably larger than AES and of course DES. RSA and elliptic curve cryptography are based around different mathematical difficult problems. Intractable, which give them their strength. More about RSA later. Answer the questions below. Should you trust DES? 1 bit is 8 bytes. This is 7 bytes compared to 1 to 8 bit of data. So, if you can see over here, as we seen over here, DES is 56 bits, which is 7 bit long. Right? But AES is 1 to 8 or 256 bit, right? Considerably larger than DES. What was the result of the attempt to make DES more secure so that it could be used for longer? Triple DES, as you can see here in cryptography, triple DES, officially the triple data encryption algorithm is a symmetric key, which is 56-bit key. Wait a second, which is the same as this one. No, this is more secure. It's bit, not bits. Triple DS. Okay, it is okay to share your public. Public, yeah. Public, you don't care. The private key has to be kept safe. Okay, cool.